Hey there, welcome back to Purely Natural Remedies. If you're struggling with high blood pressure and looking for a natural solution, today's video is just for you. We're going to share a simple yet powerful remedy using garlic, lemon, and honey that could help you manage your blood pressure and improve your overall well-being. First, let's talk about why this combination works so well. Garlic is known for its blood-thinning properties, which can help reduce the pressure on your arteries. Lemon and honey, on the other hand, work together to strengthen the walls of your blood vessels and naturally lower your blood pressure. It's an all-natural approach that's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. To make this remedy, you'll need just 3 simple ingredients. Garlic 5 to 6 cloves. Garlic is a powerful ingredient that helps thin the blood and improve circulation. Lemon 1 piece. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which support vascular health. Honey 2 tablespoons. Honey not only adds a touch of sweetness but also has anti-inflammatory properties that benefit your heart. Here's how to prepare this heart-healthy remedy. Start by peeling and crushing 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. Next, extract the juice from 1 fresh lemon. Combine the crushed garlic and lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of honey in a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth. Take this mixture every morning on an empty stomach. After just a few weeks, you should start noticing improvements in your blood pressure, and overall you'll feel much better. That's it. A simple, natural remedy to help manage high blood pressure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video.